Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and of course, DryerBuzz Eats. And this is what happened when we combined the spices of gingerbread to our favorite cookie recipe. Now, why do we do this? Because just like we like candy corn for Halloween, we actually like to eat gingerbread. But most of the recipes are there to help you make gingerbread men or ornaments for the holidays. All right, so again, we took the spices of the gingerbread recipes, added that to a recipe that we found for cookie dough from Aisha Curry. That was the spices, and then we put in some salt and some baking powder, and that was our dry ingredients. Just kind of set that off to the side to work with the sugar and the butter. Okay, ooh, brown sugar and butter. I get just so excited. All right, so in the other bowl, the next bowl, went the brown sugar, 1 cup, and then of course softened butter as well as some melted butter. You see the melted butter here, but then it had molasses. Okay, and also within that molasses, I was floating about a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, there's the hot butter, bubbling brown sugar, and then I just kind of mixed that together, and it was really soft. I didn't have to pull out a mixer or anything for this because I wasn't actually making a cookie dough. You'll see what I did with this. Okay, forgot to add in my egg, so my egg went in, and then of course I just wanted to get that mixed in well because now I was going to then combine it, fold in the flour. But you can just see, honey, it was smelling like holidays already. And see, the first recipe we tried made these. Okay, those are gingerbread men. Can't eat that. It needs to go on the Christmas tree as ornaments, and it's probably going to last a very long time. I wanted something I could enjoy on a nice, warm, nice, cool day. So listen, I added my flour to that, and I just began to fold the flour into the brown sugar mixture. Now again, the brown sugar was the butter, it was molasses, it was all of those spices, which was basically your cinnamon, your clove, nutmeg. Oh my God, it was smelling so good up here. Not to mention the ginger. Hello, gingerbread. Now again, I like to eat gingerbread just like I like Halloween candy. Okay, so as you can see, as I stirred it and mixed it in, I ended up with not so much of a cookie dough as I did kind of somewhere between a bread and a brownie, okay? Remember, we're remixing the recipe here, okay? All right, so I began to butter my little dish there. Now, this dish actually yielded me one pan of about 15 brownies, 15 to 12, depending on how you cut it. But as you can see, the consistency is still not a little bit lighter than a cookie dough, a little bit less than a brownie, but somewhere between the bread and the brownie, you'll see it came out absolutely great. And this was clearly just an experiment. Remember, I'm not a chef. I'm not trying to play one on live stream because we do make these in front of a live following. And again, as you can see, we're just trying to combine or remix the gingerbread. And then we have our pan there. That went into the oven about maybe 15 to 20 minutes till I dipped that knife in the center and it came out clean. And let me tell you, these squares, I'm calling them gingerbread squares. Okay, gingerbread squares. Heat that up with some warm milk or some eggnog, and you got a great snack. I just left the squares on the stove, y'all, and they simply disappeared. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, we do cook live at DryerBuzz Eats.